in swimwear wear. Her vital statistic is 36, 24, 36. She loves surfing the net and watching movies. That's our candidate number 1, Miss Maria Venus Ra. Moto. Candidate number 2, Iwa Moto. Her vital statistic is 36, 24, 36. Iwa Moto have the body of every man desired more. That's our lovely candidate number 2, Miss Iwa Moto. Candidate number 2. Let me call on candidate number 3, Miss Barbie Fortesa. Her vital statistic is 29, 24, 30. Weird. She loves dancing, cooking, walking, jumping. That's Barbie Fortesa, our lovely and sexy candidate number 3. Now also bred to the international singer sensation Miss Beyonce Knowles. She came to here to prove that black is beautiful. Her vital statistics are 34, 25, 35. She loves surfing the net, drinking at the party place, till she gets drunk and get drunk. That's our lovely candidate number 4, Miss Beyonce Knowles. Thank you, beautiful nightmare. Let's welcome our candidate number 5, Miss Maria Rodriguez Padilla. Her vital statistic is 36, 26, 34. She loves reading books. Reading books. Padilla. Let's welcome our lovely candidate number 6, Miss Anne Curtis. Our viral statistics is 36, 24, 36. She loves eating at the fancy restaurant and collecting fancy and expensive Louis Vuitton bags. She loves diamonds also, Princess Cut. Thank you, Miss Anne Curtis. Now I call once again the 6 lovely candidates in the swimwear competition. Is starting with candidate number 1. First round Miss Universe Maria Venus Ra. One of the Starstruck Adventure, Miss Iwa Moto. Followed by candidate number 3, Miss Barbie Fortesa. Candidate number 4, the international singer, Miss Beyonce Knowles. Followed by candidate number 5, Miss the second queen, Miss Mariel Rodriguez Padilla. And last but not the least, Miss Anne Curtis. Ladies, step forward, 1 to 6. We will do the traditional quarter turn. Ladies, turn to your right now. To your right now. To your right now. And face the ocean. Now we will announce the second minor award, the best